Hello everyone, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I'm back with another DIY. I wanted to DIY this hat. It's my daughter's hat, and I just wanted to put her a cute little monogram on the back. And I'm going to put hashtag it's cold outside because it's very cold here. So I just want you to see how I do this. And I'm going to put this on the heat press right here. And I'm going to line it up. And I'm going to take my monogram here, and I'm just going to place it about right, kind of like in the middle. And this is about 7 inches. So I think I'm going to put it about right there. And press it down a bit. Now I'm going to take my Teflon sheet and I'm just going to place it over this HTV, the heat transfer vinyl. And I'm going to heat press it. And I have my heat press set on, it's supposed to be 315, but it's right at 314, 315. And I'm going to heat press it for about 10 seconds. Okay. All right, and just let it cool for a minute. All right, and just go ahead and peel this backing off right here. Just be careful that none of the letters come up. And that adhered to the hat pretty well, but I'm just going to heat press it just a little while. I'm going to put my Teflon sheet back over it, and I'm going to heat press it for probably about 2 or 3 seconds just to make sure everything is adhered to. Okay. I'll take this off. Okay, and there's the hat. Hashtag it's cold outside. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.